In this tutorial, we'll be talking about preferences. These are settings that enable you to work efficiently in Blender. So to get these settings, click Edit and then Preferences. There will be this pop-up that will appear. I'll be giving a brief explanation on what's on each tab and suggest some certain changes that can help you in your workflow. So first off, let's start off with the interface. The interface, it's all about the elements of the layout. It's how Blender looks. For example, the resolution, you can change the resolution of your user interface. We have the splash screen that appears when you start up Blender. Down here we have editors and we have regional overlaps. When you tick on them, you'll be seeing some borders coming up on the left and the upper part. We have navigation control. Usually this one is turned off because they usually use the hotkeys. Next, we have the language and text rendering. Not that much important. Next, we have the viewport. Let's come here at the display. I want to change some things. Object info, make sure you tick on it. As you can see, it is on the left part and the view name. Next up, we have lights. These are usually seen in the scene. We have editing and animation, and more specific in working with objects in the different ways, in different modes. During modeling in edit mode, we have get extensions. Here you find add-ons and themes. You just download them from here and then you get them at the add-on section. Next up, we have themes. This is all about the colors and style of the interface. This one I will let you exploit by your own. Find out which colors work best for you. Next up, we have input. Up here, we have keyboard. Make sure you tick on the emulate numpad. This one will help you. When you press 1, you'll be going to the front view, 3 side view, and 7 top view. In the mouse section, we have emulate 3-button mouse. Don't tick on it if your mouse has 3 buttons. Only tick on it when your mouse has the 2 buttons. When using the 2 buttons, you'll be using the left click and holding Alt to move around since you do not have the wheel mouse. Next up, we have navigation. This one helps us in navigating through the 3D scene. We have key mapping. These are usually basically the keys. It's where you customize the keys. For example, I'm using the left click to select. You can use the right one. This one I'll leave it up to you to exploit out. Find the best settings that works for you. Next up, we have the system. This is basically the rendering section. If you have a GPU, you locate it here. Then down here, we have autosave preferences ticked on. Make sure you check on it. So basically that's it for the preferences.